Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to customize page borders and shadings on a Mac MS Word, and here's how. First, highlight your text before adding a border. Next, find the Borders button. I am showing you where to look. You will see that the border now surrounds the full text when you click the drop-down arrow next to the Borders button and select Outside Border. The border will be instantly eliminated if you pick your text once more. Click the drop-down arrow next to the Borders option and choose No Border. If you would like to add more modification to your border, pick your wording again. To add even more customization to your border, click the drop-down arrow next to the border button, then select borders and shading. From there, pick the settings you want. I will choose shadow in the style area. For instance, to select your favorite line style, simply scroll through the options. You can also choose the color and change the line's width to suit your preferences. Notice that the preview area shows how the border will look in your document based on the adjustments you make. For example, I would only have a bottom border if I click on these lines here. I click back to make my box border appear again. You can indicate whether the border should extend to the outside of the text or completely encircle the paragraph, which in this case consists of just one line in the applied to area. To further tweak my text, I may center it and make it stand out a bit more by selecting paragraph and clicking OK. Consider adding shading to further improve the appearance. Pick out your text first. After that, use the drop-down arrow by navigating to the shading button. Select a pale hue that will help your text to successfully stand out. If you want to take the shading off, just pick your text once more. Go back to the shading button and select no color. That will take care of the shading right away. I'll pick my text once more because I have one more piece of advice to give. Select borders and shading. By clicking the drop-down arrow next to the borders button, you will see a shading tab in this menu. Here, you can choose a fill color based on your taste. Note that adjustments you make are reflected in the preview section. It is important to remember that the way you choose your text might impact how borders and shadings are applied. The selection bar essentially picks the full line if you point at your text. As a result, any shade or border you apply will cover the entire line or page. Shading and bordering a region will only affect that particular area, though if you simply double click on it and pick that word alone. And that's it. I hope this helps. And before we end this video, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.